Cracked toenails can be a common issue among seniors, often leading to discomfort and potential infections. But did you know there are simple and effective home remedies that can help restore your toenails to their healthy state? In today's video, we'll explore the best home remedies for cracked toenails in seniors, providing you with practical solutions to keep your feet feeling great. Before we dive into the remedies, it's important to understand why toenails crack, especially in seniors. As we age, our nails naturally become more brittle and dry, making them more prone to cracking. Other factors, such as inadequate nutrition, dehydration, and certain medical conditions, can also contribute to this problem. But don't worry, there are ways to combat these issues and keep your toenails strong and healthy. Now let's talk about some of the best home remedies that can help heal and prevent cracked toenails in seniors. Soaking your feet in warm water with Epsom salts or essential oils like tea tree or lavender can soften the nails and skin, making them less prone to cracking. Try this for 15-20 minutes a few times a week. Keeping your nails moisturized is key. Natural oils such as coconut oil, olive oil, or vitamin E oil can be massaged into the nails and cuticles daily to provide deep hydration. A diet rich in biotin, calcium, and vitamins A and D can greatly improve nail health. Consider adding more eggs, nuts, and leafy greens to your meals, or talk to your doctor about supplements. Avoid harsh nail products that can dry out your nails even more. Use a gentle nail file to smooth rough edges, and always trim your nails straight across to prevent further damage. Wearing properly fitted shoes and socks made from breathable materials can help protect your nails from trauma and reduce the risk of cracking. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on nail care and foot health. Also, feel free to share your own experiences or remedies in the comments below. Consistency is key when it comes to treating cracked toenails. Make these remedies a part of your regular foot care routine to ensure long-term results. And remember, if you're dealing with severe or persistent issues, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. Speaking of long-term care, if you're looking for an extra boost to your nail health, consider trying Toenail Complex. It's specially formulated to support stronger, healthier nails from the inside out. Check the link in the comments to learn more. Taking care of your toenails doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple home remedies, you can effectively manage and prevent cracked toenails, keeping your feet comfortable and healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the comments for our special product recommendation.